Hello everybody. We've been talking about cool colors, green, purple, and blue. I messed up today. Don't ask me where my colors came from. But anyway, I have a cute card for you. So I guess I'll be back next week and finish up the brights using cool colors, green, purple, and blue. So today's card combines cool and warm colors. So here's a cute color combination for you. Join me in my studio and I'll show you my card. So in working with the warm colors in the Brights collection, I have chosen to use Poppy Parade, Daffodil Delight, and Granny Apple Green. So let's get started. I'm going to use the Poppy Parade first. And I pulled my supplies from a number of die sets and stamp sets. So, well, actually, this is the only stamp set. The rest are dies. So I'm going to use the splatter from the Quiet Meadow stamp set. And let me get a piece of paper because I have a piece of Poppy Parade, and it is 5.5 by 5.5 by 1.5. All right, and all the measurements are on my blog also if you want to check over there. So I'm going to kind of do this at an angle because I'm just adding some texture here, and I am flipping it, doing different things with it so that I can get it. Okay, so there's that, and I'm going to set that aside because I'm done with it. I'll close up my ink because I will get it all over everything if I don't. Now, the next thing I need is I need to pull in, I'm going to use the Pierce Blooms dies, and I'm using specifically that die and that die. So it's the daisy-like and the other one that looks like a daisy. So this one is being cut out of Poppy Parade. And this is going to be cut, I'm going to cut 2 of these out of Daffodil. All right, I have my flowers cut. The next thing I need to cut out is this die, which comes from Fabulous Florals dies. So I'm going to cut this one out of Granny Apple Green. Okay, I've got that cut out and I'm ready to put my card together. So I have a 4 by 5 1/4 panel of white, and I'm going to add my Poppy Parade down the side, and I need to leave a little bit of space. I don't want it too close because that piece is going to go on top. So I'm going to put it right about there. It's about 3/8 of an inch. No, it's more like a 1/4. No, it's 3/8. It's almost 3/8 in between. All right, this is going to go on top. Whoa, that is not straight. Hold on. Goodness gracious, how did I do that? Let me go heat this. If you're using a tape runner and you put it on crooked, just heat it with your heat tool and it lifts the glue, and then you can put it down straight. Wow, good thing I saw that. All right, now this is going to go on top for some interest, and I don't know if I like that green. All right, I'm going to switch gears here. Hang on. I'm going to take the red off totally. All right, I had pulled some ribbon. Let's see what it looks like with the ribbon. A strip of ribbon down it. I may not use anything behind it. Let's see. No, I'm not putting anything behind it. I'm just going to leave that there. You know what I will do? I'll do some score lines. That'll help. It needs something. Don't you love it when I mess up? But hey, I mess up so you don't have to. Now I want my lines to be raised, so I'm going to flip this over because when you score it, it indents the paper. So I'm going to go over, start about a 1/2 inch over, and I'm going to score it once. I'll move a 1/4 of an inch, score it again, and go to 1 inch, and I'll do some measuring after this to see. You can make your lines far enough apart, as far apart as you want them. All right. You know what? I'm going to use my scoreboard because I think it looks better. Okay. What I did was I started at a 1/2 inch and I did 6 score lines across. That looks better. I'm going to add some glue to this. And I put my Tombow in here in a little thing. I need to get a new one. And I'm just putting dots around my in various spots. I'm not worried if it sticks down or not. It'll flatten in the mail. And I'm just going to put this on in the center. I'm trying to center it top to bottom, side to side. Up a little bit there. And I'm going to hold it where I put that glue so it'll stick down. All right, I did it like here, 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 here. All right, now this one is going to go down here, and I'm going to use dimensionals because I want it to pop up and have some dimension to it. I may add the ribbon for some interest. Who knows? So I'm going to add that. I'm going to add dimensionals on the back of these also. Oops, almost put that on the front. All right, so let me get my pokey tool and get the backs off. All right, now I'm going to put this here. This one I'm going to put up here, and I'm going to kind of overlap that leaf and the same down here, or that petal I should say, same there. So I've got a cluster of flowers there. And it needs some bling, so I'm going to pull in my rhinestones. All right, so I'm using the large one there, and I'll use, I think, middle ones in here. There, and there, like so. And now, I haven't decided what background I'm going to use. Lots of times I put my panel together and then look at my cardstock. So I have the daffodil. All right, I don't want them close together because then it'll throw it off. I threw in a white. I used all of the colors in a white to see. All right, so there it is on the daffodil. There it is on the poppy. There it is on the green. And there it is on the white. All right, I don't like the white. Not enough color this time. Sometimes I do and sometimes I don't. All right, that's not bad. I'm down between the green and the yellow. And I think I'm going to go with the green, and here's why. When I put that on there, it just pops to me. But now let me see if I want to use my ribbon or not. All right. You know, I think I'm going to add a ribbon at the top, just for some interest. So I'm going to pull in my tear and tape, and I may use a knot, not a bow. I know, I'm always adding bows, but a lot of you don't like bows, so I like to give you an alternative. All right, let's put this ribbon on. It has a tendency to curl, so I'm gonna flip it around. And I have way more ribbon than I need, but that's okay. All right. All right, and I need to put some tear and tape on the back. All right, now. Oh, what a mess, what a mess. Here's this. Didn't burnish it. When it doesn't lift up easily like that, once you get your pokey tool underneath, you haven't burnished it. And you want to make sure it's burnished or you'll be pulling up what you put down. There you go. All right, got those. I'm going to fold this and I'm going to do a little trimming. I didn't do a very good job of cutting that, so I just kind of go down the side. Cut off those pieces. All right. So, here I have that. And now I'm going to pull in my, and normally I would use tear and tape over the embossed lines, and I used the wrong side. I used the debossed side. Oh well, it's staying like that. At least you get to see what it looks like if you use the debossed side. And I think this would look a little bit less really cute with just a knot. So that's what I'm going to do. I think I am. I can't get my fingers to work. All right, now one more. Give me a knot so I make sure that, and wherever you pull your ribbon, that's the way it's going to lay. So if you want it side to side, pull it side to side. That's a little longer than it needs to be, so I'm going to trim it a little. All right, so there is the card, quick and easy, using warm colors. Is it warm colors or cool colors? I think it's cool colors. It's cool colors. Okay, using cool colors. And I don't think I used the right colors. I think these, well, I'll have to edit this and tell you what they are, because I think it was supposed to be green, purple, and blue. How I got red and yellow in there, I don't know. One of those days, but there it is. Well, I blew that one. It was supposed to be cool colors. Green, purple, and blue. Where did I get red and yellow from? I don't know. But there's a color combination for you, combining cool and warm colors. I hope I've inspired you with today's card, and that you'll be back next week to see how I mess up again. Have a great day.